Juan with Frontline here. Just want to show you a little bit of a project we just did. Put down some underlayment. This customer had a leak in their home, in their kitchen. It started leaking and stained the roof. They didn't know where it was coming from. They called us. We came out, identified the leak. We did temporary tar paper. Now normally we would just do a repair. I don't recommend replacing your roof if you can get away with a simple repair. But in this case, we did a repairability study and you couldn't repair it. The shingles were too damaged and brittle, did not pass the brittle test. And so we went ahead and repaired it. We went ahead and did a full inspection on the rest of the house, found there was another vulnerable area where shingles were broken up and causing a leak inside. Hadn't made it to the ceiling, but it did make it into the insulation. So it was leaking through. You just didn't see it from the bottom. So we identified both places, put tarps on both places, and then found there was hail damage throughout the majority of the house. That was good enough to say, hey, you know what, we should go ahead and call your insurance agent. Let's file a claim. We did that. The insurance came out here and they awarded a complete full replacement for the owner. So we'll be replacing this roof this week. Simple as that. Call Frontline. We know roofing and we know insurance. We know the rules that they play by and we know how to win the game. Call us. Let us serve you. God bless you. We got you covered.